Splatters all over the place. Have you seen that Python, the pothole filling machine?
Yes.
That thing is cool.
It's cool, yeah. Those potholes, it'll last like 2 years, I promise you. Because all they do is before they lay it in, the machine it sprays a coat of water in the pothole.
Water.
It sprays a coat of water for it to stick to the road.
Oh, okay.
That's how it sticks. But once cars start driving over it, the water just starts. It won't evaporate under there.
Yeah. That's weird.
No, it's only last a few years.
Apparently it was a pretty expensive machine too. It looks like a big Zamboni. Little Zamboni. And I think it was like $800,000 for that thing. 800 grand. But then again, probably paid for itself after over some time.
Oh yeah, like they said last year, just that machine, it did like I think 3/4 of Sudbury.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
But then again, where do you actually see the improvement?
Yeah. It saves on the 9 other guys standing around on their shovels watching one guy work.
Yeah. Probably worth the money, but
Probably.
in the long run, probably fine.
Garfel. I know people hate this sign.
Oh yeah.
Vin Diesel. Because of the double left turning lane over here too. Starting here, it feels really wide, so if people go faster, it just looks like spacious, you know.
They always have the turning lane.
The what?
The turning lane.
As far as I can remember. I don't remember from, well, I'm sure like it was just maybe just 2 lanes at one point. Back in the day. See all these new houses here. I think they might have put that turning lane just after they built the new houses, maybe.
Unless they had it back there.
Street on the left. We're gonna make a left turn there. We'll see what's going on in the neighborhood. Make left. A lot more new houses in Garson now.
All of these ones. This part of the road used to never be here. It was just a cul-de-sac.
More and more people moving into Garson. forgot to do is 3-pointer. Let's go straight. I knew there was something. I was forgetting. Oh, the blackbird's there in that tree. That's cool. Yeah, that's who does my driveway. Okay, so let's do a 3-point turn somewhere around here.
Just wherever?
Yeah. Oh. No. Okay.
Not here?
I'm going to walk you through it.
Okay.
So before you do that, you're just going to swing it around, right? That would be an automatic fail on the road test.
Okay.
So what you do first is just pull over safely to the right side of the road. Signal your blind spot check before you pull over.
I remember this. Okay.
Okay. You got it.
There we go.
Okay, right on. Yeah,
Just
so
that first actual
yeah,
over the
it's
side. Okay.
it's just a safety thing. Like
Yeah.
let's say because there's very little traffic here in Sudbury, it's easy to forget that pulling over. Like, you know nothing's there. Oh,
Got a squirrel.
yeah. Huh. Pretty good.
Okay, so you do come to a complete
Yeah.
stop though?
Right turn here. Because like places like Toronto, it's quite obvious why you need to pull over and stop. It's not so obvious here.